Hey guys, welcome back to the session, and in this session we'll talk about level 88 conditions. So let's get started. A condition name is the name that refers to a condition. To define a condition, you use a level 88 in the data division. After defining the condition name, it can be used as the condition in an if, perform until, or evaluate statements. Condition names are frequently used with switches and flags. Apart from that, a condition name is always coded on the level 88 and has only a value clause associated with it. Since a condition name is not the name of the field, it will not contain a picture clause. Now let's talk about the syntax of level 88 conditions. So the syntax is pretty simple and it begins with level number 88 followed by a condition name, and thereafter you have a value clause to specify the value. Now let's talk about our example. So in the following example, we have defined a variable that is marital status with a length of 1 and the data type is alphanumeric. Now the three possible value of this particular variable is S, M and D. So S denote single, M denote married and D denote divorced. And all these three condition names are defined at level 88. And we're going to use that directly instead of using the marital status variable in our logic. So if you look at the procedure division, we have a paragraph that is A001 hyphen main hyphen logic. And if you look at the first condition, in order to print the divorce as a message, we have used the condition name divorce. So we have used if divorce, then display the message divorce end if. And in case if you don't want to use level 88 conditions, then you can directly use the variable that is if marital status equals to S, then display single. So this is how you can use level 88 conditions in your COBOL program. And finally, the condition name must be a unique name and its value must be a literal, which is consistent with the data type of the field preceding it. So far if you have any question, then do let me know. Otherwise, let's move on to our next lecture.